I don't really know that an intro or an explanation is necessary, but I've gotten a $50 camcorder. And the intention is to be on my phone less, but have a creative project and a creative outlet to make aesthetic, nostalgic videos. So this is really just a test. I thought starting with a spooky room tour could be a good way for me to see what the settings are, what the audio sounds like, etc. So I hope you enjoy. That you enjoyed that little spooky collection, a spooky room tour, throwback camcorder vlog.